Alright, let's do 10 Swedish words, 10 different ways of running in Swedish.
Oi! My name is not Sven, it is Martin, ja.
Yes, I'm gonna give you 10 different ways of saying and running in Swedish, and we're gonna start with the overall word, which is springa. Att springa. Here we go. To löpa, that is to do exercise with a purpose. You're running long distance, you're running to exercise. Att löpa. And the next word is att jogga, from the English to jog, which means to run a little slower and you're running on your tips. You're still exercising, but it's more like a recreational way of running. And the next word is to kuta, which means to run somewhere when you're kind of late and you feel guilty about it. That is to kuta. This one is to rusa, which means it's like you have to be more alert and run faster than kuta, but it's not like it's life-threatening, but it's like, yeah, I forgot whatever I forgot. Now this way of running is to kila, which is like, can you run down to the store? Yes, I can kila down to the store. It's not like you're dashing there, but it's not like you're walking either, because the store is closing, man! Now to Luba is to run with your feet in front of you and you're leaning back, kind of like Popeye when he has to run. That is to Luba. Now, to lunka is basically jogging but slower. Your heart is not into it, you don't like it, someone forced you to do it, you have no stamina at all. That is to lunka. Now, to Illya, which is to run with really long step. To moose, to elk. It's usually something when you can't catch up to someone, that's because they're Illya too fast with their long legs. To Pinta, that is to dash really fast at a really short distance because you're missing the bus, you're missing the subway, you're like, oh, I need to get there really fast. Obviously you can't sprinta for like a mile or 2 miles or a marathon, but if you're gonna want to go the short distance, you sprinta. Now where's that from? So those were 10 different ways that you can run in Swedish. You are most welcome, and at the end of this video, you can click yourself onto a new video! Yeah!